Chapter 6 of Environmental Studies is Utilization of Resources for Industries. In this chapter, you will read about industries. What are the types of industries? You will read about petroleum as a major industry. What are the different methods of waste disposal? And more you will read about the industries. What is the role of industry in environment? An industry is a group of productive enterprises. This is the definition of industry. Industry means a group of productive enterprises or organizations which produce or supply goods, services or sources of income. Industry means a place where something is created. In economics, industries are customarily classified as primary, secondary and tertiary. Primary industries, they produce something which is used by the secondary industries. The secondary industries use the raw materials supplied by the primary industries and then they process them, which is made into consumer goods or further processed goods, and other secondary industries have transformed into products or builds capital goods. So primary is the main industry, the beginning step of the industry. Then it is used by the product which is produced by the primary industry. It is then used by the secondary industry and then it is then transferred to the secondary. What are the types of industry? There are some of the industries like cottage industry, small scale industry and large scale industry. So you have read about them. Cottage industries are small enterprises which are more important than industrial manufacturing in offering. They provide employment to people living in the small areas in the villages and for more number of people. Furniture, farming, construction, implement, these are all cottage industries. They are producing implement, utensils, woven fabric, rugs, leather crafts. So these substances are produced by the primary industries, which are produced in small areas, smaller industries. A cottage industry is set up in houses. The work is done in homes, and these are basically handlooms, toys and weaving, etc. The large scale industries are those which require heavy capital investment in plants and machinery. They serve a large area and the market. They require skilled people, skilled labor, and they generate a large volume of output. The large scale industries include petroleum, refining, steel, iron and so on. These are industries which produce equipments or things which are used for a larger area. So some examples given are heavy machinery manufacture, non-ferrous metal refining, metal packing and hydroelectricity. So there are cottage industries, then there are large scale industry, then there are small scale industries. These are characterized by small places and they have non-durability of manufactured products. Small scale industries produce things which are non-durable, and they are basically produce equipments, and it may further involve non-standard products such as customized or craft work. So craft is also produced in cottage industry, but small scale industries produce those things which are sold in market, but then they do not have better quality or they have no standard fixed. The labor which works in these industries may be low skilled, as in textile and cloth manufacture. Their manufacture is, the people who are working in this are doing the work of food processing and plastic manufacture or highly skilled. So there may be people who are skilled or people who may not be skilled. Gems cutting, craft work and many other. Raw material form the basis of any industry. So whenever any industry has to be set up, it requires raw material. The raw material plays an important role in the industries and the economic development, and the raw material is derived from the natural, so wherever from the natural resources. So wherever an industry is set up, you need and you need natural resources from where the raw materials can be used. Water forests are utilized by the industries manufacturing goods. Along with this, we need energy, and the energy can be obtained either from coal, wind, water, or sun. Now, what are the sources of energy for any type of industry? First is coal. It is the predominant use, has already been used for providing heat. It was the basic energy source. Extraction of coal is done from the earth. We have read in science it is done by mining. Initially, coal was a major source. Now it has been replaced by other alternate sources. The next source of energy in the industry is petroleum. Petroleum is used in automobiles and manufacture. So petroleum is also a part of an industry. It is used for generation of power, electricity, etc. The process of production of goods is the first step for any industry. Planning of production begins with the original design of the product. So whenever anything is produced, then first you have to plan, and then you have to produce the design of the product, and then it is made, and after that it is supplied.